Hey there, I just created an agentic coding course and it's completely free. A lot of YouTubers would paywall this or collect your email address, but I guess I'm not a very good YouTuber, so I'm just giving away this course for free. If you've been following my content, you would know that I built a lot of different apps using everything from premium models all the way down to free local models. And for each and every app, I follow the same framework, and I'm calling this the RAMP framework. This is an easy-to-follow, repeatable framework that you can use to build everything. RAMP stands for Rules, Augment, Map, and Prove. This teaches you the fundamentals of correctly setting up your agent rules or memory files, augmenting your agent with additional capabilities using skills and MCP tools, creating a map that your agent can follow to go from your idea all the way to a working solution. And then we've got Prove. This is where we get the agent to implement the change, but also prove that the changes are actually working before handing it back to us. This course is meant for beginners and people starting out with agentic coding, but if you're an experienced builder, this is still a really good framework to help you get even better results. RAMP is the exact framework I use to build complex apps like AutoForge. And by the way, AutoForge itself uses the RAMP methodology to delegate tasks between coding agents and build real solutions. Now, as I mentioned, this is completely free. I'll leave a link to the classroom in the description of this video. From this link, simply go to Classrooms, then go to the 7-Day Builder Challenge. And how this works is I'll help you get set up. So we'll select a coding agent that you can use, whether that's Claude Code, Codex, OpenCode. The whole point of this framework is that it's tool agnostic. You do not have to use Claude Code to get good results. Then the course is split up into 7 days. For each day, you will watch a video that will teach you a new concept, and then you can apply that concept yourself, and then you can share your results with the community by clicking on the pinned comment. This is a great way to learn, and if you get stuck, get help from the community. So day 1 to day 5 will teach you RAMP. Then on days 6 and 7, I will challenge you to use the RAMP framework to build your very own application and again, share it with the community. I am very proud of this course and I do hope that you're going to enjoy it as well. I look forward to seeing you in my community. Again, link in the description.